how to suggest your account to your contacts on your phone on TikTok. Today, guys, I will show you how to do this. Just watch this video until the end and make sure that you like and subscribe in this channel. So let's start. First step is going to TikTok, then open it. After this, when your TikTok is opening, it will open automatically on home. You will just go here and open your profile. Then when you open your profile, you will find your videos or your profile. Then you will just go here to this three line and click. Then you will go to settings and privacy. After this, when you open settings and privacy, you will just go to privacy. Then when privacy will go to suggest your account to others, you will just open it. Then you will go to contacts here and you will turn on here like this, and that's it. It will work with you. And that's it, guys. I hope this video is helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe in our channel, and see you next video.